Proper training of chest muscles, like any other muscles, requires regular progress of working weights in exercises. When training in the gym, this means increasing the weight of the barbell. However, you can pump your chest anywhere, wherever you are, with your own body weight and without special equipment. In this video, I'll tell you how to pump up your chest in just 5 minutes using your own body weight. So watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Variations of push-ups. The best way to pump up pectoral muscles without equipment are different variations of push-ups. Push-ups provide a great full body workout that engages your arms, chest, and core. Push-up complex, which we'll talk about, will make your pectoral muscles back for mercy. The first is a classic push-up. Come into a high plank position. Place your hands under your shoulders. Begin to lower your body, keeping your back straight until your chest touches the floor, and then straighten your arms, returning to the starting position. Do this exercise as warm-up. The second is a wide hands push-up. These push-ups are performed in the same way as the classic ones, except that the hands are placed not under the shoulders, but slightly wider. The wider you put your hands, the more load will be transferred to the pectoral muscles. The third is a clapping push-up. Starting position, as in classic push-up, you gently go down and then sharply push yourself up, lifting your hands off the floor and clapping your hands under your chest. After the clap, land in the starting position. Jumping out of a push-up provides a huge load on the chest muscles, and this is the best way to jump-start stalled progress. Before exercising, be sure to warm up and stretch your wrists. A sharp load when landing on not warmed muscles can lead to injury. The fourth is a diamond push-up. This exercise is the exact opposite of wide hands push-up. Here you put your hands close to each other so that the fingers touch each other. During push-ups, the elbows should move close to the body. If you can't do this exercise, first try placing your hands under your shoulders and doing a classic push-up, but keep your elbows close to your body while moving. When you feel comfortable doing such push-ups, you can move on to diamond ones. During diamond push-ups, more load goes to the triceps. It is the best to do them after wide hands push-ups to give a rest to the pectoral muscles. The fifth is an inclined push-up. Stand facing a bench, chair, or other platform. Place your hands on the edge of the bench, not under your shoulders, but slightly wider, and perform standard push-ups, trying to keep your body straight. Due to the position of the body with the raised upper part, this exercise provides more load on the lower part of the pectoral muscles. If this push-up seems too easy for you, try inclined push-ups on the rings. Feet on the floor, hands on rings fixed at a distance of 0.5 meter from the ground. During such push-ups, you can make an effort not only to lift the body, but also to maintain balance on unstable rings. As a result, the pectoral muscles are loaded much more strongly. The sixth is a decline push-up. Place your feet on a bench, chair, or other platform, and your hands on the floor. In this position, perform regular push-ups. As in the previous exercise, due to the position of the body, the load is shifted, but this time to the upper part of the pectoral muscles. Do 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 20 reps of each of these exercises. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.